What is going on, guys? Cody from KHC here, and in today's video we have a Gen 3 Raptor that we're going to be putting on a KHC Stage 2 slot delete. But before we do the installation, I do want to swing it on over to Dale so he can give you a quick breakdown as to why the slot delete is so important.
What's going on, guys? Dale from over at KHC. Today I want to take some time and talk about slot deletes and why we make them and how they help you off-road without damaging your frame. So on this truck right here, we have a Stage 2 slot delete. So this is 1/4" steel. It also angles this and triangulates this, so when all the forces that you're hitting from the lower control arm pivoting, it doesn't bend this back pocket right here. So it adds a lot of strength to this. That's one benefit of the Stage 2. On the front pocket, on the Gen 1, we block it off and we box it. So instead of it just having two pieces of metal hanging down, it's now a complete box, which is going to be the strongest you're going to make that. And then also with our Stage 2, we have this big 1/4" metal piece that's going to bolt to your rack, and it's going to bolt down underneath here. So if you want to use your truck as a battering ram, you could. It's all 1/4" steel. With our bumper, it offers complete protection to our skid plates. Everything just drives underneath that now.
Well, guys, there you have it. The Stage 2 slot delete is installed on the Gen 3 Raptor. I know our customer is super excited because it means he can send it even that much more. But guys, this video has come to an end, so if you don't mind smacking that like button, commenting down below, and subscribing to the YouTube channel and join the KHC family, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.